Don't hurt yourself, Kyle.
You are so mean. That is so wrong.
Kyle, no, that's it. I'm done. No more pushing.
All I can think of is
Do you want me to come in and help you?
I can go back in a second. It's cooking right now.
It's cooking.
I'm cooking
Steak.
and the steak.
You put the stuff with the pork.
Yep. Put it on.
I'm examining the steak.
Yeah, is it doing anything?
Yeah, oh yeah, she's cooking.
Okay.
Corn
There's
cooking.
heat there.
Corn cooking.
Hey! Let's go!
Let's go. Ready to go?
You want to go for a ride? We'll go for a ride on it?
Yep.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Go.
Ready, get set, go.
Hey boys, bring it back.
They're trying to turn
Who
it.
wants to ride? Maybe he wants to push.
Okay.